Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a new item on Square. So the first step is to simply log into your Square app desktop by simply going to your browser and simply visiting their website and just simply entering your credentials, your user password, and then simply clicking on login. And then access your Square dashboard, and to do that, once you're logged in, you'll be directed automatically to your Square dashboard. Then navigate to the items in your dashboard, and from there just simply look for the menu on the left hand side that you can see in this photo. And after doing that, click on items such as this that you can see. And then after doing that, start adding items. And to do that, you will simply on the items page, you will see a list of your existing items, and if any to add a new item, click the plus create or create an item button, and then add your item details, your photo, your tags, your the price of that, and the description. And then if you want to add, you can add variations, meaning the different colors, and yeah, and then simply verify all of these things, and yeah, save your item. And if you want to make later changes, you can review and edit it. And then if you want to add more items, you will simply select more items, and then you can do that. So yeah, this is how you can easily add an item on your Square website. So yeah, thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.